Well, sure.
Thank you for showing me your car, sir. And thanks for your service, sir.
Yeah.
60. Wow, y'all, look at this.
To get my husband over here.
Oh, the one that did he build it?
He knows more about it.
It is absolutely stunning. What year is it?
Thank you. It's a 1969 Camaro.
That's my car.
Yeah.
I had a 66,
Did ya?
a 68, a 72, and an 82. I love Camaros.
Dear. 66, 68, and a 72.
And then the newer one, the 82 with, but I had a 72 split bumper in California. I bought it from the original owner when I was in the military. Bought it for $900. Can you imagine what it'd be worth?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, I would love for your husband to tell me a little bit about it.
I will, yeah. He even has a picture of what it looked like.
Oh, really? So here comes the owner. He's going to do a little interview about his beautiful Camaro. All right, she's gorgeous, and it's my favorite car. I'm Kim. They call me Off the Wall Prepper on YouTube, so I'd like to put your car on YouTube. So how long have you had it, first of all?
We've had it in the family about 30 years.
Oh, wow, you've had it a long time.
Yeah.
And you completely restored it.
Here, bring that.
Did you do the restoration yourself?
No, I did not.
Okay.
That's what it used to look like.
Wow. Wow. What a project.
Yeah. Yeah.
What engines it got in it?
It's got a 350.
A 350?
I can pop those.
Oh, yeah, let's show it off.
Out of Greeley, Cool Cat Customs, a man and his father redid
Wow.
the majority of it. Yeah,
It is stunning.
yeah. They did the engine, paint.
So it had good bones. Still had good bones after all those years.
Yeah, yeah.
So whose car was it originally, since you had it in the family that long?
Well, my brother owned it before me, and then this best friend of ours owned it before us. He bought it for his wife, because he had a 67, so he bought this one.
Uh-huh.
And we got it running. And we went in there and was talking to her. Said, well, we got it running for you. And she looked out there and said, why is there a black spot on my hood? So it backfired.
Oh, wow.
He got upset, and they ended up selling it to him. And he owned it in 97, and then I bought it from him. And it sat in the garage for a good 15 years.
And then you did the restoration.
Did the restoration.
And I bet it's a blast to drive.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
A little get up and go.
I don't want to brag, but I go 70.
Yeah, it'll get up and go. It's stunning. It's stunning.
Yeah, once you get it cleaned up, it'll look a little better.
Well, look at that, y'all, when they really made real cars. Look at this. Look at that.
You like the naked flying lady ornament?
I love it.
You can't put one on a car now.
No, it'd be against the law, probably.
Yeah, and they would crap their pants if they see one.
Look at those the headlights and everything.
I love the chrome.
The whole car, like, it just, this is sexy. That's all I got to say. That's sexy. 1954 Nash.
And the interior looked like that.
Really?
Did you restore it?
I had a guy do it. I'd still be working on it if I would have done it. So I just put the door.
We started working on this too before we were married for years. His daughter says, sure would be nice to leave the church and not get married in the States.
Right.
We started. And the guy that did the paint and body
Look at
work,
that.
he lives in Haxton, we're in Yuma.
Uh-huh.
He delivered it to the church at 1. Her wedding was at 4.
That's good.
Wow. Wow.
But you know, sometimes it's just easier that way.
It is.
Because if you spend all the time working on it, you can never enjoy it.
Well,
so.
we did everything but the paint and some of the body.
And on top of it, what branch were you in?
I was in the Army.
Army. I was Navy.
Oh,
Thanks a lot for your service, sir. Yeah. Yes, I'd do it again.
You know, I did a lot of work. I ended up buying
Very beautiful.
four of the cars for parts cars.
Oh, who was it in high school that had the same car? And me and him ran around together. Oh, we had a blast. Nothing like a Barracuda. 1971.
He's from Torrington with us.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's sweet.
It's getting closer.
Very nice. So did you do the restoration?
It was painted when I bought it. We did everything else. We put interior and engines and transmission and all that stuff in it.
It's... I think these cars just had that sexy about them, you know? Very nice. Very nice. Really?
Yeah.
Same year?
Yeah.
What a car. So what year Impala is this, Mom?
I'm guessing 61 maybe. Say there. I can't remember exactly what year.
So,
Oh, he's
first time
got...
around I had it painted white because I didn't have any money. But then I finally got around to getting it painted the right color. And,
What year is this?
65.
65?
65.
Is that
okay.
the same year that we
That
had?
would be right, yeah.
And it's got a...
Yeah, because you were about 2 years old when
When we were in
got it.
California. When we were in
Yeah.
California.
And
Yeah.
is this like a kind of a light lavender?
It's
Is that-
called Evening Orchid. Yeah.
Okay, that
Yeah.
was the
People
color.
call it light lavender or whatever. It's Evening Orchid, which is the original color for that car.
I was going to say, ours was, I'm sure it was the same
Yeah.
color even. Yeah, this
A
is
special
really bright.
thanks to my wife for her patience and understanding that she didn't kill you.
Been there,
Still hasn't killed me. That's almost 50
been there,
years.
done that. I'm
Yeah.
one of them wives.
50 years in June, so I'm hanging in there.
What engine does it have in it?
327.
327?
Yeah. No, it's a 67 327. I don't have the original motor.
Look at that, a Nova SS. When they made real cars, y'all. When they made real cars.
No, that's a little hot rod there. She likes to drive that one.
Look how he did his trunk. That's cool. Look at this, Mom. It's got the wood in there.
Kim, I think I have a picture of this. When we came home from California, we stopped at North Platte, and you kids were at the port. And I think I have a picture of us outside of it.
Outside of the Impala. Wow. 1974 Chevy Nova SS.
Oh, Baron's gonna hate listening to this.
He can watch them all on my YouTube channel.
That guy, that old man lives over by Lyman in Agate.
Oh, okay.
He said he had. If he's got as many cars as he wants as he's got, I want to see him. And maybe I need to get his name and address.
And go drive out there.
Tell him I'm going to bring my son so we can see his cars. He was a combination of Galen and my cousin Jack Hill. He was a combination of them.
Here's
two.
another Camaro.
Yeah.
My goodness gracious.
Just created the road yesterday and I had 2.5 inches of powder. So I've been at the car wash and that fan just sucks it all. This never sees dirt roads. It did today.
See, this is your generation.
The Camaros.
Yeah.
Imagine if I would have kept that Camaro. Oh my goodness. There's another Camaro. Or Firebird.
Well, I said
That one over there.
there, you guys, that's your generation now.
That's showing them.
Yeah.
Look at that, Mom. That Riviera. Yeah, that's got to be an original color. That's a 1967 Buick Riviera. 64. Oh, what about this?
Here, look, those new for $6,000.
Oh, now that's kind of neat. He has the bill of sale for it. $6 grand. Back in 1964. That's what it would have cost you.
What a Caesar's was used.
65 Chevy Chevelle. Didn't you have a Chevelle?
Uh-huh. That's what I had when Galen, or when Don and I split. That's what Dad had.
Look at that Falcon. Yeah, the hot rods. 1936 two-door Ford.
Oh, there's a little Ford over there. I'll wait.
The what? Oh, they're, yep, like Galen's. Look at the hot rod. That's cool looking. Even though Galen hated when they did that. Rat rod. Rat rod. 1931 Hudson Coupe. I drove a few of those big old Lincoln Continentals in the day. Darren had one.
I had one.
Yeah, you had the brown one, and then Darren adopted it, I think.
No, because the motor blew up on it.
Oh.
Got rid of it.
What is that? What is that thing?
Something they built.
What is it? That's cool. A 1965 Volkswagen Type 1 Beetle. Yeah, this is the year. This is the year of mine and Darren and Dan's, like that. I like this white one.
picture of that interior.
Yeah? Wow. Wow. Look at this interior. That is gorgeous.
That's a stick.
Yeah.
Yeah. When they put that on there, that means it's
A 1955 Packard Patrician. Original with 71,000 miles on the speedometer. Oh my gosh. What a car this was, huh? This must have been this is the big family car. '55 Chevy. Chevy Bel Air. Isn't this the same as the one I sold? What was the year of the one I sold? A 57?
No, you didn't have a 57.
It was the convertible, the one that the guy bought it from me. It got shipped to Spain.
Oh,
Wasn't it a 50?
it was a 57.
It was a 57 black and white Chevy convertible Bel Air. That's the one I sold to the guy in Spain.
Yeah, because if it had been a hardtop, Galen would have taken it.
Yeah.
But it wasn't a hardtop, and he wanted a hardtop.
He still enjoyed coming down there to see
Oh,
him.
yeah.
USA 1 all the way. Z28. Red and black. Ooh, sweet, sweet, sweet with a 302 in it. 1969. $1970. Olds.
Safe at home. Souders Automotive. Security first. Sydney Sun Telegraph. Sydney Regional Medical Center. Sutton Home Gallery. The Insurance Store here in Sydney. UST Health Group. Walmart and Wireless World. Sydney
68.
Thank you so much for your. We also have the red popcorn trailer there, serving popcorn, hot dogs, other cold beverages. Check out our 3-place flat coat.
Malibu.
We're giving away 3 places in each class today, so make sure you register all 3 choices in every class. We have some raffles going on. We have a raffle for 3 raffles for $100, and we have door prizes for cash giveaway. We also have some Snap-on merchandise we'd like to give you. Really?
Oh, that's similar to what Galen had right there. Oh. It's pretty.
So you're helping each other by voting on your favorite cars. 3 places in each class. There's People's Choice, Rodder's Choice, and Club Choice.
41
And
Willie.
then there's also a slot for your favorite club car from cruising class down there on the north end. That north end row, which goes east and west.
1960.
I've never seen a little old convertible like that. Hard work polishing them, isn't it?
The older you get, the harder it gets.
Is this the same car that James Dean had?
He had a Porsche, I think. I don't think he ever had a Cobra.
Oh, okay.
When did he die, man? Well, he died, what, the early 70s or?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, he had a Porsche.
Yeah, you're right. It was a Porsche,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it sure had the same slick feel.
Same line to it, yeah. These,
I bet you this won't go very fast,
year
will
is
it?
it?
no, not too fast. Yeah.
What year is this one?
65. Yeah. It's
Really?
actually a replica. They only made less, fewer than 1,000 originals, and they're like all.
It's 1963 Chevy IT.
Back in the day, that would have been the cheapest.
This one.
Yeah, back in the day, it would have been considered. But now, any car in the 50s and 60s, you better hold on to them. I don't like when they do that too. I don't like that kind of thing. It would be much prettier with all of the purple or something, but I don't like it.
The two-tone like that.
Yeah.
I like this old Harvest Time too. That's a pretty neat old truck. Oh, there's my blue right there, Mom. Z28. 69.
Paper or a plastic bag like from the grocery store.
Uh-huh.
And Dan and Amy were sitting in the living room, and he walked in and he said, "Well, I sold the Roadster." And I said, "You sold it?" "Yeah." And he just took that, pulled that sack out from behind him and just dumped it. And Dan about passed out.
Because he was carrying all that cash from
Yeah.
selling the Roadster.
Yeah.
What year was the Roadster? The 32?
Yeah,
Was it a
probably.
32?
It was just like this, identical, except he painted it black.
Very nice. Really nice. This was one of G's favorite cars when he had it. This is one of G's favorite cars, the Roadster. Yeah.
Camp Canyon City is where it was built.
Yeah.
They owned it. Guy from England painted it.
Yeah.
Was a butcher.
Well, we lost my stepdad 3 years ago tomorrow, and so my mom, she wanted to come up here and go to the car show.
Sorry to hear
He built him from the ground up. No, I think it's good for her. I think it's good for her. It's making her happy.
that.
You know?
Born and raised in Haxton.
Yeah.
Moved up to Eden out of school. Well, I actually went to Omaha and worked at Warner Enterprises for 9 years.
Yeah.
Came back. Woke
Well-
up in the morning and I told her, I said, "I'm out here. I can't Colorado no more." So
I love it.
She goes, "You're going to put your townhome on the market." I said, "Well, right now." So, summer, and just raised me.
Yeah. Well, this is real.
Afford anything over 400,000. I get 107,000 for it.
Yeah.
I sold it for 342,000 in a week.
Colorado's crazy right now.
Moved to Kansas and bought 7 lot. A lot of guys got 7 lots of it.
Wow.
Property taxes for years is horrible.
Well, this is a really nice car. Have fun with it. Be careful.
Yeah, moved to Kansas.
A 1931 Ford.
And we'd also like to thank all of you for showing up on such a beautiful day.
About a half scale T-bar.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
The main body tub is a wheelbarrow.
Really?
And it's got a British Vanguard V-twin 16 and a 3-speed transmission. I'm too old to double up in it now.
Right.
They clocked me coming down the 2-block road. That come up to Laredo Street, and I had to slow down and stop. But they clocked me at over 55.
Yeah. Well, you were having fun. Pedal to the metal.
When I was 50 years old, I got my first radio for the wagon.
And you fixed it right up, didn't you?
That's really.
$19.40